Breaking news coming right now. The High Court hearing where Sachin Pilot's team has appealed against the Speaker's disqualification notices has now been adjourned. For more, I'm joined by our reporters who are following that important political story. Harsha, over to you first. So now, what was the crux of the arguments? And now clearly this seems to be going into a long drawn affair because now the next hearing on Monday.
Well, yes, so there's immediately, by stretching it to Monday, there's relief for the Sachin Pilot camp. The Speaker cannot move against them till Tuesday morning. So that's given them some breathing space. That's what the Sachin Pilot camp wanted. But remember, it's not an outright stay. Now, what were the arguments which led to this? Well, from the Rebel and Sachin Pilot camp, the whole argument was that the Speaker does not have rights when the House is not in motion. These whips which have been issued to them are illegal because when the House is not in assembly, they don't have rights. The other side said, no, the Speaker definitely has certain rights and he's a constitutional authority. If you need to talk about his role, they have to have a division bench, which now they do have. So nothing on the role of the Speaker yet. They've just told him, wait till Tuesday morning, the court tells him. But the court will again hear the case on Monday. Now, from this side, they've said 2-3 things. They said legislature party meetings have been held. One has been held in the Chief Minister's residence. One has been held in Hotel Fairmont. That's illegal. The Congress camp has all along said in court, we are not leaving the Congress. We are with the Congress. Now, Sonia, what does that mean politically? It's all very well to have a court proceeding, but what does it mean politically? Politically, as I understand it, even today, Ashok Gehlot has the numbers. So if there is a floor test, he will be able to prove his majority. Sachin Pilot does not have the numbers. So for him, it's important to play long, to carry on as far as he can and try and see whether he can get the numbers together. So that's the reason to go to court, to buy time and to slow down the entire process. And you see that the Gehlot government moving very fast, you know, going to the Speaker, giving them 2 days to reply, when actually what the Sachin camp said was they can get a week to reply.
Absolutely. And now that FIR also being filed and the Rajasthan police on the way.